Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy
Hi, Auntie Jamaica! Happy 18th birthday! Wish you all the best and welcome to adulthood. See you soon. I love you. Happy birthday again!
Hi, Jamaica Dua Lares. Happy 18th birthday, Pinsan. Wish ko kang papagad na sana marami pang birthday na darating sa iyo. At sana hindi mo pabayaan ang pag-aaral mo. At balang araw sa future mo. Sorry, walang regalo sa tingin sa iyo kasi hindi pa nabalot ka. Sorry ba yung busis mo? Kakagising ko lang. Pero, yun lang kang. Sana mag-aaral kang mabuti. Huwag mo pabayaan pag-aaral mo. And God bless. And again, happy 18 years birthday to you. Char. And love you. God bless. Yan lang.
Hi Jam, it's been a long time no see. No talk, no chat, walang kamustahan. But still, ang samahan natin before nandun pa rin. Naka-keep as memories. It's your 18th birthday. I wish to become one of your 18th roses, but it's possible to happen right now. Kaya ito lang masasabi ko, enjoy your day. Enjoy your born day. This day, a special day for you. Again, happy birthday. That's all. See you.